If you have a Dosatron and want to administer bloat oil, FIL offers Bloateze DFA. DFA stands for Designed for Alkathene. This means you can use Bloateze DFA in your Dosatron without damaging your low density alkathene. You can still use Bloateze DFA for trough treatment, drenching and pasture spraying if you need. When it comes to additives, we recommend removing certain minerals from your Dosatron until your bloat is under control. For inline drenching, start 3 weeks before the onset of a bloat challenge at a rate of 4 ml per cow every 24 hours. 1 week before the expected bloat challenge, increase the dose rate to 7 ml per cow every 24 hours. During the bloat challenge, a dose rate of 10 ml per cow every 24 hours should be used. These rates are for undiluted product. Remember to calibrate your Dosatron accordingly. All FIL area managers have dosing charts on hand that we're happy to provide you. As always, if you've got any questions, get in touch with your local FIL area manager.